right? These are the some of the basics in case of the digital system design or maybe digital electronic design or maybe digital logic design. Generally consisting of three subjects: digital logic design, digital electronics, digital system design. Okay, so here binary addition means, suppose if you are taking two numbers A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the possibilities, right? If you want to perform the addition of these two numbers, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. Okay, this is a representation. So this is nothing but 0 with carry. Okay, that is nothing but binary addition. Okay, if you want to subtract the same scenario, 0, 0, difference is equal to 0, 0, 1 means difference 1, borrow. This is generally called as a borrow. So 1, 0, difference 1, 1 minus 1, difference 0. So no borrow will be generated. So this is nothing but binary addition. This is nothing but subtraction. Okay, now. So as well as multiplication means that 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1. So let it be represented. It is a multiplication file. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0, 1. This is for multiplication. This is for difference or maybe subtraction. This is for addition. Okay, next one. If you want to represent any numbers in the form of a binary values, it is very important. Representing whether the number is a negative number or maybe positive number, you have to represent the number in this sequence. Let it be considered A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, so this last bit represents the sign bit. Sign bit. If the sign bit is 1 means it is a negative number. Okay, sign bit is 1 means negative number. It is a 0, positive number. This represents the magnitude. Okay, this represents the magnitude. This is the one way of representing the representation of the. As well as 1's complement means 1's complement can be accomplished by replace the each 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. Suppose if you are taking a binary number 1 0 0 1, so 1's complement of this one is equal to replace with 1 with 0, 0 with 1, 1 0. So 2's complement means is equal to 1's complement plus 1 by adding the 1 to the LSB, least significant bit. That is also very important. Okay, therefore 1's complement value is equal to 0, 110, right? By adding 1 to the LSB, least significant bit, we can perform 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the 2's complement of the corresponding number. Okay, as well as coming to the representation of the negative and positive numbers with the help of a 2's complement means suppose I will take the same number, binary number, so that is equal to 1 0 0 1. In the 2's complement format, it can be represented as 1 0 0 1 0 0 means that it is a 9. That number is a positive number. You can directly represent 9 with the corresponding number 1 0 0 1. So this bit represents 0. Sign bit is 0. It is a positive number. Suppose if you want to represent a negative number with the help of a 2's complement, you have to represent that negative number in the 2's complement format. That is very, very important. Suppose if you want to represent 4 by using a 2's complement means 4 means 0, 1 0 0. In terms of a 4-bit format, 1's complement of that one means 1 1 0 1. 2's complement 1 1 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, double 1. So this is our 2's complement number. So in terms of a 2's complement format representation, you have to represent that negative number as 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so sign bit is 1 because of it is a negative number. Okay, this is a way of representing the 2's complement numbers. If it is, I mean, here this in a basic scenario means that if it is a true binary number, it is a true binary number, it is a 2's complement. Okay, if you want to represent a negative number with the help of a 2's complement, you have to take that 2's complement of the negative number, you have to represent that one. If it is a number is a positive number, you have to directly represent that number, but if you have to change the corresponding sign bit with 0. If the sign bit is 0 means that is a positive number. If the sign bit is means that 1 means that it is a negative number. Okay, that is a one way of representing. As well as already all of you having some additions with the help of a binary numbers. Just I will give you some basic idea about the BCD numbers. So BCD means that binary coded decimal. Name represents BCD, binary coded decimal. That means decimal numbers can be represented with binary values. That is the meaning of BCD. ఈ BCD లో binary coded decimal అంటే decimal means that they range from 0 to 9 only. After 9 no values will be existing. అందుకనే BCD లో లాస్ట్ లో 10 నుంచి 15 వరకు we can consider as a don't care because of that no inputs will be there. No input means that no output will be existing. So that's why we will consider as a don't care condition. ఈ BCD addition మీకు ఎక్కడైనా ఇచ్చారు అంటే suppose 70 to 52. You have to perform these two are maybe positive. Let it be considered like this. The addition means 4, 12. That is the scenario, right? Just I will represent the same number with the binary values format. Okay, binary value of 2 means 0, 0. Very, very important. This is also right. So many complexities will be there. Each and every complex gives us some more information regarding the 2's complement value. So this is the representation of the 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. 7 means 0, 1, 1, right? As well as 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Right? So I will consider 0. Let it be considered one more conclusion. These two are a positive bits, right? I will consider represent 0. It may be considered as a sign bit. Okay, sign bit. So 0, 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 with carry 1, 1, 0 plus 1 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, 1, 1 means that 1 with carry, so 1, so this is nothing but 0. Okay, so no carry will be generated, right? No carry will be present. 1, 1 means someone carry 1. So someone carry can be represented here. Okay, I will get this number. This is the sign bit. No changes in the sign bit. If you are adding that one also, just let us see what is the equivalent value. 4-bit format representation. 0100. This is the equivalent of the decimal number 4. This is the equivalent of the decimal number 12. 124, right? This is the way of representing the corresponding numbers with the help of a BCD. BCD numbers చేయటమంటే ఇలా చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ BCD నెంబర్ లో నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు, యాడ్ చేయాలంటే నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు దట్ 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ వాల్యూ టు ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్. 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ వాల్యూ తీసుకుని దాన్ని యాడ్ చేసామంటే విల్ గెట్ ది నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో చిన్న కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఉంది. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ 9, 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. What is the range of BCD? 9 only, right? That means this value exceeds the BCD range. Yes or no? BCD addition అంటే మనకి 9 లోపే ఉండాలి. 9 కంటే క్రాస్ అయినా ఎక్సీడ్ అయినట్టే కదా. సో క్యారీ కాకపోతే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. These two numbers are there. Sign numbers 1 plus 1, 0 will carry 1. So 1 0 1 1 0. What is the value of this one? 0 1 0 0 1 9. right? This is nothing but 5. This is nothing but actual value 14 we are getting, right? If you are performing 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0. This is, if you are comparing this one, this is the equivalent of the 14. So, no issues. But the binary number cannot be represented like this. 14 possibility మీకు ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా బైనరీ నెంబర్స్ లో? పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. అది కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని స్పెషల్ కండిషన్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు యాడ్ 6 to this number, what is the value? 1101110, right? Okay, I will try to 0, 1 plus 1, carry with 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. So 111 means this is a scenario. This is also carry with 1. Okay, so now 1 means that remaining terms can be treated as a 0. I will extend it to the 4-bit format. Okay, now let us say this value is equal to 4, this value is equal to 1. So 14 can be represented like this. If the number is greater than 9, it can be you have to add that value to the 6. Sum అనేది 9 కంటే exceed అయిందంటే నువ్వు 6 యాడ్ చేయాలి. That is the scenario. Hexadecimal అయితే no issues. 12 ఉంటే C అని పెట్టి ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. సో బైనరీ కోడెడ్ డెసిమల్ అంటున్నాం. ఓన్లీ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూస్ 9 వరకే రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? అందువల్ల మనం 14 డైరెక్ట్ రాయలేం, పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండదు. సో అలాంటి పాసిబిలిటీ లేనప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ 6 టు ది కోస్పాండింగ్ రిజల్టెంట్ వాల్యూ. యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ క్యారీ జనరేట్ అవ్వాలి, అది మెయిన్ ఇంటెన్షన్. ఈ 6 యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల క్యారీ వచ్చింది. ఈ క్యారీ రిప్రజెంట్స్ ది కోస్పాండింగ్ నెంబర్, అది 2 నా 1 నా అనేది. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కోస్పాండింగ్ నెంబర్ ఫార్మాట్. Okay, so I will give this some more question marks. I don't want to go through the details. Okay, you will see in the later sessions. Suppose if you want to represent, say 5 is a number, right? Most of the nowadays computers are operated with the 16-bit or 8-bit format, right? So 5 can be represented in the form of a 8-bit format. What is the scenario? So generally 5 means that 0, 1, 0, 1. But our computer is operated for only 8-bit format. You will consider remaining zeros can be treated as a zeros, 8-bit format. That means the computer operated with 8-bit format. Laptop gaani computer gaani మనకి 8-bit format లో ఆపరేట్ అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాం. సో బేసిక్ గా మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, జీరోస్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ సైన్ బిట్ అనే అజంప్షన్ తీసుకున్నామంటే దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ 4 లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 2 3. ఓకేనా? 4-bit యాక్చువల్ నెంబర్, లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సైన్ బిట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వచ్చేసి యాక్చువల్ నెంబర్. సో రిమైనింగ్ ప్యాడింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఎందుకంటే 8-bit కి మ్యాచ్ చేయడం కోసం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓకే, ఫైన్. దిస్ విల్ బి ట్రూ ఫర్ దిస్ కండిషన్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ఎ నెగటివ్ నెంబర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కన్సిడరేషన్? ది సేమ్ 5 -5 కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ as 1 0 1 0. Sign of the 5 means that we can represent one sign bit, right? The remaining padding can be done with the help of the 2 zeros, right? If you are representing that number no longer to be, it is a negative number. Last లో 0 ఉందంటే how can I represent it is a negative number? Possibility ఉండదు. అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Okay. As well as if you want to perform the addition of 9 plus 5, it is a negative number. What is the value? What is the procedure? With the help of a 2's complement. Suppose if the 9 is a 2's complement, it is a negative number. If you want to perform this one, what is the result? That means if you are adding a small positive number to the large negative number. Suppose if you want to perform in the 2 negative numbers, what is the scenario? If you want to perform in the 2 opposite and equal magnitude number, what is the scenario? Okay, these are all the each and every point will use so many information related to the decimal values. Okay, that will be discussed in the next session. Okay, thank you.